wasn't necessarily forced, but I started playing music at a pretty young age. So there's there's that connection to fumbling through an instrument and then learning another instrument and then learning another instrument and taking that pride where right now we've got, and I don't want to discredit it, but we've got so many musicians where they can sit down with a synthesizer and that's all. But if you put a guitar in their hand, they can't play a chord.
Right.
If you put a horn in their hand, they don't know how to put they don't even know where to put the mouthpiece.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let alone how to put their mouth to it.
Yeah, I'm playing, all the pipes in the plumbing section.
So let's flip this back to the tattoo conversation. Do you think this the way that technology and sales is driving the heart out of music? Would you say that things like the technology in rotary machines is kind of taking the heart and soul out of it, as opposed to coil machines? Do you feel there's something that's
the difference in equipment is making what tattoos different? I think the pop culture is making tattooing different. Tattooing used to be a lot more exclusive, and I mean that in the best way. Just not everybody's supposed to own a Porsche type of gig. It used to be a good marker for oh, you got a bunch of tattoos, you must be in this circle. And now it's anybody that knows where the shop is. You know what I mean? It used to be you had to seek out someone that did something other than walk up street tattoos. You had to really do your homework because there was only 5 shops, and you had to be I heard a rumor of this guy that does shit that looks like the picture, bro. I mean, it looks it looks like the actual fucking picture. And that
people
was
the easy these days, getting tattooed.
There's
when I started getting
135 shops in our county.
In the 90s, when I started getting tattooed, it was, you had magazines to look at. You didn't have the internet, so good luck. You weren't seeing their work. You weren't seeing anything.
You didn't see tattoo designs unless you went into the shop and opened up the flash racks.
Yep, that's it.
Those were the tattoos. It wasn't, I want this random thing off the internet. They'd be like, no, that's not a tattoo. The tattoos are out there on the fucking wall.
I didn't even know that you could get a custom tattoo. I
remember finding a custom tattooer was a big deal. Wait, I can bring you any picture and you can fucking whip that up.
Right. You don't even need a picture. Just come.
It was a big fucking deal.